In front of me a 400 watt metal halide high bay light fitting, including a reflector, housing and gear. So we have the bulb here as well. So exactly what are we getting here? What we're shipping here will be exactly what you see in front of us on the table. So the first thing to note on this is the central unit here. So there's a top housing here. It's held in place by a total of 3 wing nuts here. So you can actually just unscrew these, the hinge, and open up, and all the guts are inside it in terms of the wiring is there. There's a small bag that comes with it. And we just come along, we just screw this directly on. And we'll use this for housing it, hanging it there. So we'll have obviously our hook, whatever like that, for mounting this directly from the top of your warehouse. What we have next here is we have this little flange here, which would screw in the inside, outside, and it lets us run the cables directly in there to bring the electrical supply into the light itself. When we actually come along to put on the actual reflector here, what we do is we just loosen off these screws here, push this onto it. There's a little rubber base here, which will give it a nice seal in between. And when we loosen them off, you can probably see in the center, maybe better this way, where we have the little unit here. So it just means we can push, twist, and then tighten in the screws and lock it tightly into position. What we have next then is we have the actual bulb itself. So this is the old screw type, so we just screw it directly in and we can lock it into position that way. So probably thinking to yourself, well, maybe metal halide is a thing of the past, it's all LED now, and to a large extent it's correct, but there is a residual demand in the marketplace for it. So often what factories will need is they're after maybe breaking a fitting, something like that, and they don't want to have a mixture of metal halide and LED. Probably not. So often we'll have a situation where people are buying these in relatively small quantities and fitting to have them exactly there. So the overall build quantities is absolutely excellent. You can still continue to get the bulbs, etc. It's all listed directly within the electrical section on freetv.ie.